Hey, today's video is all about Launch Plus by Lawnporn. Let's go to the intro. Get your lawn on!
You know what?
So Launch Plus is a foliar application for conditioning the lawn and when you want strong root growth. Think of foliar applications like spoon feeding a baby. Start at the lowest strength and then build up over applications. It should take you about 3 or 4 applications before you hit the highest strength. Now Launch Plus is a balanced fertiliser, balanced in NPK, so the phosphorus and the added kelp that we put in Launch Plus really gets those roots going. So it's a perfect fertiliser for when you want to condition your lawn and getting the roots going. It feeds through the leaves, there's no wastage, it's just the most efficient and best fertiliser that you can get for lawn. The question we quite often get is, what should I use first? And Launch Plus is a very good example of what to use first, because usually the lawn needs a bit of condition and repair. So this is a job for Launch Plus by Lawnporn.
You know what? You're so fine. You know what? All yours, baby. Go. You've got the green light. You've got the green light. You've got the green light. Yeah, you've got the green light.
Can we keep him?
Go. You've got the green light. You've got the green light. You've got the green light. Yeah, you've got the green light.
Maybe I should do a flick like this. That.